This is the Tecno Phantom X2 5G and it costs roughly $500. As you can tell, I'm really excited about this because the last one that was released was 2021. Just look at those large lenses. On paper, this is one of the best devices out there. But in the end, it all boils down to if this device is worth your money or not. Let's dive into the full review to find out. I'll start with unboxing. The Phantom X2 comes in two colors, Stardust Grey and Moonlight Silver, which is the device I'm holding. It also includes a USB-C earphones, a 45 watts charging brick, a USB-C cable, a high-end phone case, and the actual device. For the design and display, the Tecno Phantom X2 series is known for its premium look and curved display. Some will even say the screen has a Galaxy S6 Edge-like feel. The X2 5G has a luxurious appearance and feel since it's composed of high-quality materials like metal and glass. Additionally, it comes with a 6.8 inches AMOLED display, which refreshes at 120 Hz. After using this device for 2 weeks now, I really love the AMOLED display, but I only had one issue. The display was not bright outdoor. For the operating system, this smartphone runs on Google Android 12 and iOS 12. This device will receive 2 more years of Android updates and 3 more years of security updates. Kudos to the Tecno team for doing this. For chipset and storage, this smartphone comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000, which is a 4nm processor. It's one of the best in the market and is capable of handling high-performing games and apps. One of the core functions of the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset is energy efficiency, which enables this device to have a long-lasting battery. Speaking of battery, the X2 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which takes 1 hour 20 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. The battery life got my attention. I attempted depleting the device to have a charging test and boy, this device refused to die. Additionally, this device features an internal storage of 256 and guess what? There's no micro SD in it. Finally, Tecno is catching up with the industry standard. The X2 also features 8GB of RAM and can be expanded to 13GB. But then again, 8GB is enough for multitasking and running various apps. Now, I tested this device with PUBG and Call of Duty with high frame rates and it delivered very well. For the camera, the Tecno Phantom X2 has a 64 megapixel rear camera, a 13 megapixel wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth, and 32 megapixel front camera. The camera on this device delivers high definition photos and videos and it's very useful for video calls. Here's some tests I carried out with the Phantom X2. The first test is charging time. It took 1 hour 20 minutes and 53 seconds to charge this battery from 0 to 100. For the camera, this phone took some good pictures and videos with excellent color accuracy. While this video was made at the Tecno X2 launch, believe me, I was really stunned that this device could record with this much quality. This was taken with night mode, while this was captured with the selfie lens. The next test is a speaker test. This device comes with a mono speaker, so I'm not really sure how this will go, but let's see how it sounds. From the test, I would say it's quite loud for a mono speaker, but I think next time they should throw in a stereo speaker. For the game test, let's see how this device will handle Call of Duty at a high frame rate. Targets in sight. Get down, sniper. You've taken the lead. Get down, sniper. Enemy in sight. It's too close, sniper. Sniper. The device handled Call of Duty very well. It didn't lag, it was really smooth. although it got a little warm while playing, but I guess that's normal with devices. Now we're done with the test, let's go straight to my final verdict. Now let me start with the pros. Number one, it has one of the best batteries I've seen. Number two, the RAM is solid. You get 8 gig of RAM, you can extend to 13. Number three, the chipset is mad. It's faster than everything in the market right now, apart from the iPhone. The cons. The AMOLED. The AMOLED is really good, but it's not that bright. It doesn't give me that crystal clear feel. The second con is bloatware. The phone has too much bloatware. It's either apps are installing themselves or you're getting ads from core apps. It's really just, for a premium device, we shouldn't be seeing this. And the third one is the charging time. For the charging brick it came with, I was expecting 30 to 45 minutes. If I have to rate this device from the pros and cons and the experience I've had with it, I'll rate it 8.5 over 10. Why? Because I think you get your value for your money. I think it's a good device, and if you're looking for an Android phone that's between the mid-range and the flagship, and for a good price, this is what you should be going out for. Hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, tell me what you think about this review and the device. So till next time, bye guys.